Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem in which they're asking us to find out the number of real ordered pair x comma y for which this equation holds true. Okay. So, if you'll observe this question, they are using two variable x and y, and they have given you only one equation, so you cannot solve this question easily. Okay, generally if the number of variable is greater than the number of equation, we used to apply hit and trial, but they are asking you to find out the number of ordered pair. So how many points are satisfying this question, that you have to extract. Okay, and this makes this question to be tougher one. So how we will solve this question, try to understand. So what I am observing, I feel that it is exponential function a power something. Similarly, this is also exponential function a power something, and both are having same base 16. So both are of similar type of function. Okay, they are in addition, correct? And also if we will multiply them, the base is same, power will be added. So addition and product. This means that I can go with AM and GM. Okay. So you know that AM greater than equal to GM. So we will apply this concept over here. So AM means what? Suppose this is term 1. It is a positive, so we can apply AM. This is also positive number. We can apply AM and GM. Okay. So it is 16 power x square plus y plus 16 power x plus y square. There are two elements, so divided by 2 greater than equal to 16 power x square plus y times 16 power x plus y square power 1 by 2. There are two elements, that's why power is 1 by 2. Now you know that the value of this entity that they have given is 1. So can I write this to be 1 by 2 greater than equal to, base is same, so power will be added. So if you will add the power, you will be having 16 power x square plus x plus y square plus y, and power is 1 by 2. So can I do squaring both sides? So if I'll do squaring both sides, 1 by 2 will become 1 by 4. Okay, now if you'll observe, can I convert this thing into base 4? Yes. Can I write 4 power minus 1 over here, and here I will be writing 4 power 2 x square plus x plus y square plus y. Now you know that while handling inequality, we can remove the function, as it is exponential function a power something, a power x, and it is increasing function. So if we will apply or remove increasing function, it doesn't affect the sign of inequality, correct? So we can remove this exponential function greater than equal to, and still it will be same, x square plus x plus y square plus y. Now can I divide both side by 2? So we will be having 1 by 2 greater than equal to x square plus x plus y square plus y. Now we will send everything on one side, so we will be having x square plus x plus y square plus y plus 1 by 2 smaller than equal to 0. Now if you'll observe, you have a square. You can convert this thing into 2ab. Okay, so look at this, a square plus 2, a is x, and what should be the value of b so that it will remain x? So b should be 1 by 2. Now we need 1 by 2 square, so 1 by 4 added, 1 by 4 subtracted. This is with x square and x. Now we will manipulate, same way we will manipulate y square and y. So we have y square plus 2 y 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, and then we have the last component 1 by 2 smaller than equal to 0. So if you'll observe the green part, wait, look at this component, minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is what? Minus of 2 by 4 means minus of 1 by 2. So minus of 1 by 2 plus of 1 by 2 vanishes. We are left with x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus y plus 1 by 2 whole square smaller than equal to 0. Now something square plus something square is smaller than 0, smaller than equal to 0. You know that it's a real number and square of real number will always be greater than equal to 0. And they are saying that it is either 0 or smaller than 0. So it is only possible if this component is 0 and this component is 0. This means that the value of x should be minus of 1 by 2. The value of y should be minus of 1 by 2. Okay, so we got only one ordered pair, that is minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.